Good afternoon, students. Today we will solve some more examples that are in a statement form. So, for example, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present age. We have to find their present age. They have given the clues that what is the ages of Harry and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Means we don't know their present age and they are given one clue that their ages are in the ratio 5:7. Means I am consider Hari's age. Hari's present age will be the first ratio. In the ratio, first number is 5, means Hari names come first, means Hari's age, present age will be 5x. And Harry's present age and Harry's present age is equal to 7x years. See, consider Hari's present age is 5x years and Harry's present age is 7x years. Now see, next 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 4 years from now means we have to add the 4 years to their present ages. After 4 years, means after 4 years, their ages. Hari's age is 5x plus 4 years and Harry's age is 7x plus 4 years. After 4 years means we have to add the 4 years to their present age. Now what will the ratio becomes? 3:4. Now we are having these all the statements converting into algebraic expressions. We are writing these two in a linear equations. Means that 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 are in the ratio, means 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4, that ratio will become 3:4, means I am going to write that 3:4 as 7/4. Now this is not a linear equations. We are reducing these linear equations to into linear form. That is 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. We are reducing this to linear form. For that I am going to do cross multiplication. Means 4 will go to the numerator and 3 will multiply into the denominator. That is 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 times denominator is 7x plus 4. Now solve for x. Here 4 is outside and in the bracket 5x plus 4 is there. Now we are going to multiply 4 to the bracket. That is 4 into 5x, that is 4 into 5x is 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 into 7x. that is 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Take variables one side and constant to the other side. I will keep 16 as it is. I am taking 12 to the LHS side, that becomes minus 12. Otherwise, you do 16 to RHS side. I will take 12 to LHS side. I am keeping 21x to 21x as it is in the RHS side. I am taking 20x to the RHS side, that becomes minus 20x. 16 minus 12 is 4. 20x minus 20x is x. That is, we will got the x value as 4. Now we will finding the Hari's and Harry's percentage. What we have taken? Harry's present age. Harry's present age is what we have taken? 5x. 5x. We will putting the x value now here. 5 into x value is 4. That is, Harry's present age is 20 years and Harry's present age is in the ratio 7x. That is, we will putting the x value here. That is, x value is 4. 7 4s are 28 years. Like this, we will finding their present ages. Next, we will move to the another examples. That is, the denominator of a rational number is the denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator, greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. See, what is the example now here? The denominator of a rational number. First we will define the rational number. A number which is in the form of p by q is called rational number. Means 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is the rational number. The rational number contains one numerator and denominator. So, for that, the rational numbers are in general form, that is p by q, and the q should not be equal to 0. If then equal to 0, then the value becomes infinity. Like that. So, q should not be equal to 0. So, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Whatever the we are going to find the rational number, it is having the numerator and denominator, and the numerator is greater than the whatever having the numerator that we don't know, I will take as x, and that what denominator is greater than its numerator by 8 means x by 8. What will get the denominator as x by 8. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Denominator clues they have given, but about the numerator they have not given. Means we have to take the numerator as x. That is, numerator is, I have taken x. What about the denominator? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Numerator is x, then denominator is denominator is greater than its numerator by 8. Numerator is x means denominator will become x plus 8. Now next, if the numerator is increased by 7 means we have to add 17 to the numerator. Means it becomes x plus 17. If the numerator is increased by 7 means we have to add 17 to the numerator, that is x plus 17 it becomes, and the denominator is decreased by 1 means decreased by 1 means we have to subtract 1 to the denominator. Already we have the denominator as x plus 8. We have the denominator as x plus 8 and we are decreasing by 1 means we are subtracting 1. After that the number whatever obtained is in the ratio 3 by 2. 3 by 2. By solving this linear equation to the linear form, we will get the required rational numbers. Means x plus 17 divided by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. This is the linear equation that is not in the linear form. First we have to make in the linear form. That is x plus 17 I am keeping as it is. Here in the denominator x plus 8 minus 1 is there. X plus 8 minus 1. Here 8 and 1 are the constants we are subtracting. That is in 8 I am going to subtracting 1 means x plus 7 is coming is equal to 3 by 2. Now I am doing cross multiplication. That is 2 is multiplied by numerator, that is 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into denominator is x plus 7. Now solve for x. 2 into x, 2 you are going to multiply to the bracket. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 17 is 34 is equal to 3 you have to multiply to the bracket x plus 7. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 sevens are 21. Keep 34 here in the LHS side only. In the RHS side plus 21 is there. Take to this side means it becomes minus 21 is equal to, in the RHS side 3x is there, keep as it is, take 2x to the RHS side, that becomes minus 2x. 34 minus 21, that is 13. 3x minus 2x is x. Now we will get the value as x 13. So the numerator comes x is equal to 13. We have got x numerator as 13. Now we will find the denominator. Then we will getting the rational number. The denominator is x plus 8. Denominator what we have taken? X plus 8. X means 13 plus 8. That is 21. That is required rational number is 13 by 21. I will explain once again. See, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. We don't know the numerator, we will take as x. What about the denominator? The denominator of a rational number. The rational number should be in the form of p by q. See here what we have got the answer 13 by 21. Here p value is 13 and q value is 21. It is a rational number. What about the denominator? What they have saying? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Numerator by 8. Whatever taken numerator x, it is greater than by 8 means x plus 8. The denominator will be become x plus 8. Next, if the numerator is increased by 7, increased by 17 means we are adding to the numerator. We have taken numerator as x, increased by 17 means x plus 17 it becomes. And the denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator decreased by 1 means we have to subtract 1 to the denominator. We have already the denominator as x plus 8. In x plus 8 we are subtracting 1, that is x plus 8 minus 1, that is equal to x plus 7. The ratio they have given, the number obtained is in the ratio 3 by 2, that we are x plus 17 divided by x plus 7 equals to the 3 by 2 ratio. So, here now I am doing cross multiplication, 2 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator. 2 into in the bracket x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Multiply constant to the bracket. 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 17 is 34 is equal to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 sevens are 21. Take variables one side and to constant to the other side. 34 minus 21 is equal to 3x minus 2x. Now do the subtraction. What we get the x value is 13. Means numerator value is 13. What about the denominator? Denominator is x plus 8. That we will put the x value in the x plus 8. That is 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So what we have the rational number is 13 by 21. That is in the form of p by q. That is 13 by 21 is our required rational number. Okay, thank you.